is white. You can see everything is white. Look at this. It's the mountain of snow. You can see it's everywhere is white. Oh my god. Look at this. It's playground, but it's fully of ice, you know? Look at this. It's mess everywhere. It's mess. No black. You can see no black road. Just only everywhere is white. You look at this. Yeah. And how light is. You can see there. All light. It's snow falling. All light. After you can see this result. It's -9. It's too much. It's very freezing. It's -9. Yeah. Too much freezing. Oh shit. Okay. One person standing up bus stand, but no bus is here. It's just running. People try to pull her snow, but it's very huge. Look at this. It's my friend car, you know, like this. Yeah, it's my friend car, but I can't see it. What a weather. Can't stop. This braking is not working very well, but I try to little bit. Yeah, look at this. Oh my god. Snow removal machine. You can see this snow removal machine. Every car is mess. You can see every car is mess. So falling is coming inside, you know. Look at this. It's coming inside. Oh my god. Because my window is open. That's why it's coming inside. Oh. It's very crazy. It's very. Oh, somebody harm me. Your light is open. The mountain of snow. Oh my god. It's terrible. It's very terrible. You can see nothing. You can see nothing. Oh my god. Look at this. Stuck there. No way to right turn, but I try from here. Okay. Now I have successful to turn right, and my home is very near. I'm going to home. is on, and it's my intersection. It's my near house intersection. You can see. Little bit, yeah. It's skidding. The car is skidding. Every car is skidding. Skid the car everywhere because snow is very huge snow in your tires. When you move your vehicle, its tire is not working properly. But I have 4-wheel drive. You can see it's here. I have everything is here. Is like snow and 4-wheel drive and small gear. Look at this. 4-wheel drive. Everything is here. That's why I'm a little bit satisfied. Okay, now my house is coming. That's my market. My home market. I need to turn left. Okay. And oh my god, it's my driveway. You can see it's my driveway full of snow. Is everywhere is white. Oh, the huge mountain of snow. Oh my god, look at this. Yeah, it's my neighbor. They are my neighbor. Look at this. It's my driveway. You know, it's full of snow. Look at this. Yeah. And also it's my home driveway inside. Oh my god, look at this. Everything is covered from snow. It's my site, it's my garage is here. I put here my vehicle, but little bit taken time because okay now okay, here we go. Yeah, but little bit take left and properly. I have parked properly because a lot of snow in backside. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank God. Okay. Okay. Bye.